everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a work scenario that add products in my Shopify store. First of all, we need a make.com account, and second thing, we need a Shopify Fake API. We need to get a URL from this, and second thing, we need a fake your store. I have already. We need to reload it. Okay, we need to add something new. We need to add a HTTP. Okay, we add it, and we need a make a request, and we need a URL. We need to go on the products fake API store, and we need to copy it this URL. You can see the products was like this, and we need to go back, and we need to add a URL. The method was get and save it. We need to run it. Okay, the 30 things was added, but one scenario operation, sorry. We need to add a JSON form, and we need this JSON, and we need a string. We need to add a data and save it. We need to run it again. Okay, the one item was here, but it is not split. We need to add an iterator. Okay, we have, and we need to add images. Okay, need to assemble it again. Okay, it is assemble. Oh, okay, it is assemble, and we need a Shopify. Okay, here is a Shopify. I need to create a product. Okay, we need a title, product type, body HTML. I have already. You need to go and copy this, paste it, and squiggle description in body HTML, and we need show advanced settings and add media. Okay, we need to add map. Okay, we need to add a map, and we need to delete this. Okay, we need to add value. Okay, we need to add a iterator. No, array generation. Need to add flow control, and here we go. We need to go on module. Okay, we need to save first. Save. We need to delete this, and we need to copy this. Okay, we need to save first. Save. Okay, we need to add again flow and array generation. Okay, we have a media, and we need to add a module of this, and we need to add on this area. We need to add images, and I need image for adding, and we need to put value. Okay, it's connected. Okay, we need to save and run it. Okay, the products was adding, but no, stop. Don't need, first we need to assemble it. We need to see. I don't need, I need array. It is not. Oh. Okay, we need to save it. Okay, we need to run it again. First we need to reload and delete the products was adding. Need to see. No image was added, you see, but I delete this and delete the products. It is deleting. I need to go back, and we need to excuse again, run one again, and here we go. It is adding. We need to see. It is 7, 8, 9 adding. We need to see on my store. Okay, reload it. Okay, the image was adding and all the things was adding with good, and we need to see it with good image. All the things, the description was adding, the image was good, and all things was good, and we need to see more things. Okay, the vendor was me and all things was adding. Okay, all the products was adding. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.